composite panels are maintaining optimal temperature during transfer.
Good. Ensure the titanium segments are secured for the vibration test.
Take a closer look at the crystalline structure here.
Uniform density across the board. It passes inspection.
All green on the acoustic map.
Zero defects confirmed.
The smaller, refined, specialized carbon fiber composite sheets destined for the thruster module housing
teams. This treatment stabilizes the metal surface, creating a protective oxide layer that enhances corrosion resistance and
Laser tracking confirms perpendicularity.
Green light on Station 4. The gantry can release.
Robotic precision ensures the perfect application of the aerospace adhesive, critical for bonding the titanium structure and the lightweight composite panels of the escape capsule.
Laser alignment coordinates confirmed. Geometric fit is perfect.
Verify. Containment doors secured.
Affirmative. Pressure sequence initiating in T-minus 10 seconds.
After successful pressure testing, the capsule is moved to the cleaning station, where the team meticulously prepares the surface for its final coating.
little to the left, stabilize the front.
Copy that. Watching the laser alignment now.
Looks good. Bring it down slowly.
The audio is dominated by the sounds of a modern factory environment. There is the persistent The insulated curtain descends, completely isolating the capsule and signifying the absolute completion of processing.
Particle count remains stable across all stages. Confirmed. Airlock pressure differential is nominal. We are clear for the thruster module sequence.
Check the thermal gradient on Sector 4.
Looks stable, within the acceptable parameters.
Inert, non-explosive dummy charges are automatically loaded into titanium valve housings.
The centrifuge rapidly simulates the extreme G-forces of the boost phase, ensuring the structural integrity.
Confirm the sensor readings.
Temperature and humidity levels are verified. We are clear to seal.
A micro laser system performs a final calibration of the internal acceleration sensors. This ensures...
Warning, structural collapse imminent. Ejection sequence successful. Safe to fire.
The final clear polymer coating provides an extra layer of environmental resistance, sealing the certification etching against abrasion.
Security checks complete. Temperature holding steady at -15.
Acknowledged. Seal the pallet for immediate transfer.
Pallet secured. All modules accounted for. Confirmation sent to control. Setting torque to 25 Newton meters.
And confirmed. All interfaces secure.
Initiating full system integrity check on the escape module.
Data flow is stable. Communication is flawless. All indicators are green.
Specialized meters measure the electrical current flow through the firing circuits, confirming the module is capable of delivering the precise ignition signal.
The stabilization data is confirmed. Product B maintained attitude control throughout the sequence.
Excellent. We can finalize the certification.
With the data log synchronized, the module's performance is officially validated. A critical step complete for the escape capsule.
Now, confirm the escape capsule diagnostic.
Arming the module. Diagnostics complete. We have a green light. System is ready.
Check the seal integrity on the control module.
Reading confirmed. Diagnostics are green. System health verified.
All systems checked. Escape capsule indicators are green. The module is ready.